Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Learner YouTube channel. I am Ahmed Sandhu. In today's video, we will learn how to get value from input and display that value on the page with the help of JavaScript. So for that, I already created HTML file and give it some basics design, and I already opened that file inside my browser. So now I simply just write that JavaScript code which will retrieve that value from input and display that value inside this p tag. Okay, so for that I just simply create a function inside my JavaScript file. The function name will be get value and display, and give ID to that p tag paragraph tag in which I will display that value, and give ID as well to the input to fetch the value. The ID for input is my text box. Now I just simply create a JavaScript file with script.js, and I already imported that JavaScript file inside my HTML. Now I will go into my that JavaScript file and simply create a function. The function name is get value and display. Okay, I copy this and paste it here and just simply create this function. And inside this, first of all, I retrieve the value from input. So for that, I just simply create a variable, okay, with the name of value, and simply write document dot get element by ID. So inside this, I just simply give the ID of input. So I copy the ID of input and give it here, and now after that dot value. Simple. After retrieving the value from input, I just simply display that value inside this paragraph tag. So I will copy this ID. After copying the ID, I will go into my JavaScript file and simply display that value. Okay, so for that I simply write document dot get element by ID, and inside that I will give the paragraph ID, which is display value. And after that, you just simply need to write inner HTML. After that, you need to set that value. Now I will set the value inside this paragraph. So for that, I will just simply write, for example, the value of input is, and after that plus, and simply this variable in which that the value is stored of input. I just simply write value. Now I save the file, and after that I simply run this file on my Chrome. I already run this on my Chrome. I refresh the page, and after that I will write my name here, for example, and click on button. Here you see the value of input is Ahmed. So that's it. This is all you need to know about how to fetch value from an input and display it on the page with the help of JavaScript. I hope you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.